With the highly anticipated Samsung Unpacked event coming to an end, we were introduced to the direct upgrade of the massively popular Galaxy Buds lineup, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Buds look, feel, and perform great from what we've seen, but is it good enough to take on the apparent reigning king of earbuds, the SONY WF-1000XM4? Let's find out in our video today. After the ever-expanding lineup of hardware updates, Samsung finally revealed the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with claims of being smaller, more compact, and more comfortable than the original Buds Pro. How small? The Buds are 15% smaller than the original Buds Pro, while coming with an expanded venting grille which allows ample air to pass through your ears and relieve you from feeling all clogged up during extended periods of listening. We can only hope this feature will have a huge and mostly positive impact on the transparency mode as well. While on the flip side, SONY WF-1000XM4 did a complete visual overhaul from its predecessor, dumping that weird pill-shaped design entirely and instead catering for a more subtle, all-matte style. The WF-1000XM4s are noticeably smaller in size, which you can directly tell from the sleek overall design. The case itself is shrunken down as well and measures up to 40% smaller than its bulky predecessor. The case supports USB-C wireless charging, while buds latch into the case magnetically. In the case for the Buds 2 Pros, the compact case plays homage and complements the Buds' alluring matte finish. The size is nice and just small enough to pocket, making it fairly easy to take it with you anywhere. Now, features. For Samsung, one of their biggest bragging rights as of right now is the implementation of Bluetooth 5.3, a huge step up from the predecessor. ANC has also been improved with 3 new microphones working on even more outside noise, about 40% claimed by Samsung themselves. They also come with a conversation mode which functions similarly to speak to chat from Sony. The Buds come with an improved IPX7 rating, essentially rendering them safe against submersion up to 30 minutes underwater for a meter anyway. Sony actually borrows the speak-to-chat function that made its debut with the WH-1000XM4, which allows you to naturally talk to someone while you're wearing the earbuds. This feature will automatically adjust the volume and give you a more natural conversation experience without taking off your buds. Along with an improved DAC and analog amplifier combined with the powerful processor V1, the WF-1000XM4 provides a surreal level of sound and noise cancelling. In terms of microphone, the WF-1000XM4 comes with a beamforming microphone containing a bone conduction sensor, making having conversations a breeze. The Buds also come with an IPX4 rating, making them a good choice for workouts. For the sound, for the very first time, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro will have full support for 24-bit high-resolution hi-fi sound quality, meaning you'll be able to enjoy 24-bit high-res audio files wirelessly from streaming services such as Tidal, Qobuz, or Amazon Music, and enjoy said music as the artist intended you to without downsampling the quality one bit. This is achieved thanks to SSC Hi-Fi codec in the Buds 2 Pro, but here's the catch. This is exclusively compatible with Galaxy devices that run One UI 4.0 or higher, which makes the brand new Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 the perfect pair. The Buds also offer 360 audio when watching movies or films and are compatible with head tracking support with Dolby Music and enable virtual surround sound. Sony, on the other hand, is heavier on the bass and delicate details alongside rhythmic precision, which made Sony what it is today. For hi-fi streaming, the Buds with LDAC support can stream up to 32-bit 96 kHz files over Bluetooth, giving them a solid edge regarding wireless fidelity. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is said to have a battery life of up to 29 hours, which is a significant improvement from its predecessor, while the Sony WF-1000XM4 can run for up to 24 hours in total. This gives Samsung an edge over Sony in terms of longevity. As for the price, you'll be able to get your hands on Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro for $230 right now, while on the flip side, the Sony WF-1000XM4 will cost you somewhere around $279, but if you can manage to nail the sales and offers, it should cost way less. So, can Galaxy Buds 2 Pro be titled as the Sony Slayer? Well, yes and no. You see, while it does have some advantages over the WF-1000XM4, the Buds are still way off to have a celebration, since the WF-1000XM4 is still one of the best earbuds you can ever get and shows no sign of stepping down. However, Samsung does provide relatively more battery life and costs a bit less, so that's something to consider right there. So, that was all about Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2 Pro versus Sony WF-1000XM4 Sony Slayer. Since the concept of sound is relative and different people perceive sound differently, it's only obvious for people to have different opinions, and we would be delighted to hear from you. Do let us know in the comment section below, and as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.